Longchen Nyingtik Meditation. Part 1. Freedoms and Advantages. Meditation 3. Reflecting on the predicament of the lower realms. Please read Compo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and Dakinis. Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the 6 realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Think. For now, I have obtained a human existence, free from the 8 impediments, and complete with the 10 advantages. If I do not make use of it to practice Mahayana Buddhism, after I die, my karmic force is sure to drag me down to the 3 low realms. By then, I won't be able to hear any mention of the Dharma. Let alone practice it. Moreover, without meeting a Mahayana teacher, I won't know what is evil to be renounced and good to be taken up, as in the teachings on cause and effect. I will only act negatively and never positively. Which guarantees my endless transmigration in samsara with its dreadful sufferings. What a bleak prospect that is. Nonetheless, in this life, I have met the precious Dharma and the Supreme Masters. Moreover, I have generated faith in practicing virtue. Having been blessed with all the favorable conditions and the freedom from all obstacles, I must therefore earnestly and thoroughly practice the Dharma. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.